After successfully winning a bid from the Institute of Technology, we were able to deliver 2 modules in the In-Work Skills pilot programme. These modules were called Transfer of Best Practice of Business Improvement and Business Improvement Progression from Manual to Digital. The purpose of both modules was to share the knowledge and progression from the manufacturing industry to the North East IoT partners and the wider Institute of Technology network. These hours included an amount of standard delivery, but with the emphasis on independent learning, social learning, our online platforms, as well as virtual reality experiences.
It's so much better than learning in previous environments. Sitting in a classroom and feeling like you're back in school again doesn't provide me with much creative freedom as a person. I like to be in a more lax environment and feel the freedom to engage with the content as opposed to feel forced to learn the content. It's made a huge difference to my learning experience.
Part of the In-Work Skills pilot, NA College engaged with other local colleges in the region to offer a Train the Trainer programme. The Train the Trainer programme was to collaborate and share best practice in order for a wider network of learners interested in business improvement apprenticeships and business improvement techniques moving forward. This in turn increases the skills within the North East and the knowledge of the region. New College Durham, Sunderland College and East Durham College have all participated in the collaboration on the Train the Trainer programme for transfer best practice.
Well, I feel that the new knowledge I've gained from the Train the Trainer programme will really help my learners across all aspects of the curriculum. The case studies provided by NA College and Nissan have really helped me understand the DMAIC process. The training at the Accelerator Hub I found was very thorough, in-depth, knowledgeable, really exhilarating really, and was delivered by a really well-experienced tutor.
Efficiency, productivity and sustainability are needed by all organisations, not just to support their business development plan, but also for business growth. This module aims to support those goals by delivering the knowledge and skills needed by staff. Over both modules, we were tasked with delivering the course to 520 learners over a 6-month period ending in March 2022. We've since achieved these figures.
NA College is committed to build the first sustainable smart factory in the educational footprint. In collaboration with the Institute of Technology, we are building the first smart factory to support the business improvement qualification. The project has been initiated when Nissan, during the first lockdown for COVID, stopped its production to create a PPE face mask on behalf of the government. When the Nissan production was back, we moved our face mask in our campus, and then in collaboration with Nissan and our employers like Vantec, we bring in inbound and outbound facility. Attached with our smart factory, there is a sustainable agenda because of everything that we are producing, and we are embedded all the concepts in our curriculum as an enrichment activity that we want to pass to our students.